I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pulling back. Remember, on February 8th, I posted in my trading group, watch this, key support level being broken, stops in place, dominance moving higher, watch your altcoins. Some people need someone to just yell at them and say, hey, time to sell. Now, where are we going? Where are we headed? So a bullish, the bullish bounce would be this support level here, right? I pulled fibs on this. This would be the bullish bounce right here, right? So if the stock market is strong, you probably have a falling wedge in here and you get some kind of bounce, but it's a skinny falling wedge. And so how do you come up here and then do you fall lower? All right, so that's the question. The golden pocket target is in this area, okay? Bitcoin, there's been a lot of negative news about staking. There's all this uncertainty again, and it's like rewind. All the bullish upside momentum we had is slowly faded away, and here we are. So make sure, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna bring you the bangers every single day. We had top gainer on Kucoin yesterday. This, I don't know why anybody would watch any other channel if you're in crypto to make money. It doesn't make sense. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Now, so again, you could, the golden pocket, 19,800. Okay. A bullish bounce would happen about 21,100. So if we go over here to the 8-hour chart, and I actually had this, let me pull it up over here on, I showed this to you exact prior, before this even started to happen. Like, here you go. Here you go. Here's your Bitcoin pullback, right? With the daily SMA. Here you go. Here's pulling back. And I did this before the candles were printed, right? What more can you ask for? Like, now it's healthy to get a pullback, but you got this rounded top, and then a lot of Bitcoin and crypto. I mean, if they ban staking, they're talking about ban staking. It's been said in the United States, Ethereum, what happens to Ethereum? Like, what happens to crypto? I mean, they could completely, we're buying a boat, guys. So we'll all chip in. We'll get on a boat and we will freaking do what we need to do to change our lives forever. Don't worry. There's always a crypto island. I already was looking for the pullback here because it's a rising channel. It's 68% chance that it breaks to the downside. And it did. And then you had this shoulder, head, shoulder, break to the downside. Your measured move, you're about there. But you're going to get, potentially some type of bounce, and then do you get downside continuation? Are you forming a falling wedge right here? Well, let's just see if we can try it this way. I mean, this didn't break a falling wedge to the downside like this. And if it did, it's in serious, Bitcoin's in serious trouble. But probably more like this. Again, this could bounce here and then work towards the high of the range, high of the pattern, and then again, if it doesn't break out, you're looking for a move to the downside, right? You still got your daily SMA that's way down here at 19,500. Okay, you're still above that. And so we talked about how important that is to be held. Now, I've got Gem Pick Banger City at the end of the video, so make sure and watch it. I had one that someone posted in group. I've got a whole team. They find setups daily and they post all Gem Pick City all the time. And grabbed one of his to post, and this thing started moving, and it's just like, hey, buy high, sell higher. So this person up 48% and 56%. He said, I struggled to figure out trading. I reached out to Chris and he was great. He told me to reach out to admin and especially Joe, because Joe does all the questions. He does the learning videos. He takes the time to work with people so that they improve their skill set. And that's all there is to it. And he's amazing. I moved him all the way from Texas for a reason, because I knew he would be a gem pick. This person, my life totally changed. I invested $78,000 and now I've got $152,000 in 15 days. Are you serious? This person, he said, so Bitcoin's dumping yesterday, and he got in the gem pick and he made 30% while Bitcoin was dumping. And if you look at these, I mean, look at these gainers. I mean, look at this. Like, what are you doing? If you're not in the group, what are you doing? Why are you here? If you're trying to make money in crypto and you're missing these setups, why are you here? I'm here to make money, more than money. Just honestly, I'm here to make you guys money, because your success, your freedom is more important. It drives me, it gives me a reason to wake up every day. Genuinely, like, I want you to get out of the rat race, get out of the matrix, if you will. And so, again, nailing the bangers day after day. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You guys remember JAR? You might remember JAR because it's on the top. It's been on the top of Kucoin gem pick banger all day. 75% after I gave it to you. And no one can say, oh, I didn't get into it. I didn't get into it. I didn't get into it, because it sat here around 20% for an extended period of time. And then it took off to 75%. And you could have easily made 50% gains out of JAR on that one. Okay. ES1. Okay. So what I'm concerned about is you had fake out. And then, again, this is this line right here. Right. And we want to see a breakout. And so at this point, you've got a high, at least you got a higher high. And then this resistance level here, but the price action broke below there. So you want this to continue higher and work in the falling wedge, and then 68% chance this breaks out higher, and this could pull Bitcoin a lot higher. But again, there's so much news going on in the United States right now, it's kind of chaotic. Now, all the hiCLONEX, right? These are little pieces of NFTs. You could buy them. And they are on Kucoin, and they are mooning constantly. And so we've been keying in on them. This one was up 6,400%. This one 387%. And I've got two setups on this I'm going to talk to you about in just a second. That one hasn't taken off, and one's going to be a retest for entry. hiCoolCats, again, hiPunks, hiFidenza. I mean, these coins are up to 600%, 6x. I mean, it's crazy. It's like Bitcoin is dumping and these coins are exploding. Okay, so this one was posted by, I have an amazing team, and it was posted. I couldn't get the video out fast enough for you guys. And so this is a textbook. You couldn't get a better pattern than this. Bullish divergence on a double bottom with a retest of the previous support level. Falling wedge, running out of room, no place to go but up. This is just getting started. And I said buy high, sell higher, because this thing was pumped like 15, 16, 17% when it was posted. And that, you guys, I have people hit me up and they're like, oh, these coins are already pumped. Okay, tell me that when this thing's up 200%, right? You're never going to see 300% profits if you're worried about a 20% pullback, period. Now, you can definitely get in on a retrace where this comes back, pulls down, and you get a retrace and everything cools off. You get in at a better price. You know, prime would be, this support level. Even better would be the actual, I don't think you'll get it, but depending on Bitcoin. But once this thing is broken out with volume, it's broken out with volume. I posted this on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. So I can get these out to you quick. Like sometimes I can't even make a video. It takes me 4 hours to process. It's such a pain in the rear end. And these things take off quickly. Now, the new gem pick. These coins do not care what Bitcoin is doing. Now, gem pick banger. Okay, so this is hiCLONEX. And again, it's another piece of an NFT, and these coins have just been exploding. And I really like there's technical patterns that are painted based on a rising channel here and then falling wedge here. Okay. And I won't get into that because it's, I don't trade that way, but essentially that's what you're building here. And so you're going to have your falling wedge, something here. There's a very high probability when we talking about on YouTube, this thing's just going to explode. I mean, look at this moon mission right here. Look at this. All right. 100% profits. I'm telling you, 200 to 300% gains on hiCLONEX over time. Immediate gains, 50, 60%. This thing is going to pump crazy. Period. I'm bringing the gem pick bangers back, and I think we're 7 of 7. Not going to find that on any other channel. Period. If you want winners, come to this channel, subscribe to the channel, join the trading group. Where do you think all these setups come from? I have a whole team, thousands of people hit me up and they said, hey, Chris, check this out. Check. You need to see this. You need to see this news. I found this news. I have a team of thousands of people working and helping me find the best setups. hiCLONEX, again, going to be epic. Parabolic pump, 200% gains over time, 50% initial run up. At least. Like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.